everyone, welcome back. If you are new, my name is Nikita. If you're oldie but a goodie, welcome back. So today's video is a Zara haul. I'm so excited. I absolutely love Zara, and watching try on hauls, my absolute favorite. Everything came in this box. I didn't get that much stuff because Zara's prices, they've been creeping up there. But I wanted to share some of the pieces that I got. They're definitely summer friendly. They're definitely transitional friendly. And I'm gonna show you what I keep, what I return, what I'm loving. So let's get into this haul. So the first piece is this blue dress, which I absolutely love. This is what it looks like on the model. It's a super cute dress. I love it. It's great for the summer. The material is super thick, and I definitely think this is a great piece for spring and summer. Definitely doesn't look like a trendy piece where you can only wear it once. You can pair this with a pair of silver pumps, white strappy shoes, or do like another pop of color to just do like color blocking. I think that would be super cute. It lace ups in the back, which is so cute, and it's very form-fitting. I got a size small, so I'm definitely keeping this dress. It is a banger. I love how it fits. I love how I feel in it, and I cannot wait to rock this. So the next dress is this yellow midi slash almost maxi. This is what the model looks like in the dress. It's super cute. It's great, and it's form-fitting, and it's lightweight. I really loved how this dress looked on the model, but the only thing is it's completely see-through, so you can definitely wear some like nipple covers or like a black underwear or something neutral so you don't see anything, but it wasn't for me. Plus the material is kind of like that fuzzy material that I feel like if I wash it once, it is gonna be bye-bye kind of thing. But if you are someone that just wears your clothes once and it doesn't really matter to you, then I definitely would pick it up. It's super cute. It'll look cute on vacation. It's lightweight, and the color is absolutely beautiful. But I am going to be returning this bad boy. The material is a little off for me. And then the next item is this linen green shirt. I have been so obsessed with the color green. I don't know why. I love the look of a linen shirt with a pencil skirt. I just think it looks so cute, and I just got this new skirt that I thought would look so cute with it, but I just don't like how it's fitted on me. I definitely think I would need it to get like tailored, but I want to get a different size. I got a size small, and I definitely think I need to up it to, or was this an extra small? Yeah, I got a size extra small. I need a size small for it to be a little bit more loose on my hands. This is what it looks like on the model. It's so cute. She paired it with a pair of denim jeans, and it looks, I love it. You can definitely layer this piece. It's great for basics. It's great for just an everyday casual look. If you want to look a little bit more polished, I think button-ups with jeans, you just always look put together. But for me, I'm going to return it because the sizing is off for me, and I don't love the fit of it. So the model paired it with a pair of denim jeans, which I grabbed a pair of like light wash. These kind of remind me of the Levi's jeans, but these are Zara. I got them in a size 0. Okay, I'm not a 0. I'm definitely a 2. They couldn't even go up, but they're so cute. They're just these light wash, and they are low rise. In my last video, I told you guys I am sick of the high rise. My belly is sick of the high rise, my hips, everything. I just want low rise jeans to come back, but these definitely didn't fit me. So these are the jeans, and it looks so bomb on the model. It's just a really nice light wash denim. She paired it with a bralette and then a vest over it. I was going to pair it with the button-up linen shirt. I thought that would look so cute, but these cannot fit me. so I am going to return them. But I definitely think if you are looking for a pair of affordable like thick denim, because I don't like my jeans to feel like that legging material, I'm not into it. I like jeans to feel like jeans. I definitely would check out Zara. Like, their denim is super thick. Levi's is another one, if you like that thick denim feel. And definitely size up, because usually I can fit into a 0, but not with Zara. I'm a 2. So those are definitely gonna go back. And then last but not least, I picked up a pair of a cargo like green pants. I love them on the model. They look so sleek. I definitely think these are a great pair of pants for staple, and I think you will definitely like, you could definitely wear them in different settings. They have the long pockets, the green. I'm obsessed with green pants for some reason, and they were pretty affordable. The material is great, and literally when you have like Zara pants or any pants, like, this is the secret for you to look super tailored, super like rich, I guess you could say, is just to get your pants tailored or get any item tailored and it'll look great on you. That's what I do, because most of my items don't fit me that well because my body's kind of small, so I just get it tailored. But these, I love them, but I don't love them, if that makes sense. Like, I love them, but I'm not so in love with them that I'm going to keep them to get them tailored. This is what it looks like on the model. It looks super sleek and just super casual. I love this look, especially when you could just put on a simple t-shirt or top, and then you just have like nice structured pants, and then you can pop on your favorite heels or even put on a pair of crepes. I think that will look super cute. So for those pair of pants, I'm definitely returning. The only thing that I am keeping is the blue dress. Everything else just did not fit very well, or the material was just, I was just not a fan. I love Zara. I see that Zara has a little bit more like new arrivals, so I'll definitely order some new things since this was a big miss for me. But the blue dress was a hit, so not all lost. But I will link everything down below. I will leave the code of the item because, okay, sometimes the links are a little bit off, but you can go in the store and give them the item number and they can check for you if they have them in stock in your area. That is it, guys, for my Zara haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Love Zara. It's a great place to find really, really great pieces. And yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing day. I hope you are celebrated today because you deserve it. I love you guys, and thank you so much for watching.